Inherited a DC drawing from an older engineering project and need to view the design? This is a CAD file from IMSI's affordable design software platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these DesignCAD files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult DC files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. A DC file is a 2D or 3D drawing created with DesignCAD, a computer-aided design program. Users typically encounter this file when working on architectural plans, mechanical parts, or engineering schematics. The primary intent is to open, view, and edit the detailed vector-based design within the DesignCAD software. The DC format is a proprietary binary file structured to store vector graphics data, including points, lines, curves, and object properties. This design ensures high precision and scalability for technical drawings while remaining compact. It is optimized for fast loading and rendering within the DesignCAD environment. The most common market-leading program for DC is DesignCAD from IMSI Design, LLC. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows can't display engineering-grade details, so serious inspection must occur in CAD software. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the DC file and select Open With. If DesignCAD is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If the DC file still will not open, there is no need to stress. If the DC file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, opening in DesignCAD. Install IMSI DesignCAD from imsidesign.com and use. File then open to load the DC drawing. The application displays the complete drawing with all layers, dimensions, and 3D objects intact, ready for editing, measurement, or printing. Next, converting to DWG. Use DesignCAD's file, then save as function, and select DWG or DXF format to convert the drawing for use in AutoCAD or other CAD applications. The conversion preserves geometry layer structure and most annotation data for cross-platform CAD workflows. Finally, viewing with free tools. Try opening DC files with the free Autodesk DWG TrueView after converting to DWG format, or use TurboViewer for direct format support depending on the DesignCAD version. These viewers provide read-only access without requiring full DesignCAD licensing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.